You do not need more time. You need to stop wasting the time you already have. Think about how often you check your notifications. You watch one short video. Then another. Then another. You scroll while eating. You scroll before bed. You scroll the second you wake up. None of these moments feels expensive. But together they can steal hours from your life. Most people do not have a time problem. They have a time leak problem. So for one day, write down everything you do. Break your day into 30-minute blocks. Do not judge yourself. Just observe where your time actually goes. Then ask yourself one question every morning. If I could only accomplish 3 things today, what would they be? That is it. 3 things. Because when everything feels urgent, nothing actually gets the attention it deserves. The goal is not to do everything. The goal is to consistently do what actually matters. Start using time blocks. Most people schedule meetings. They schedule doctor appointments. They schedule work calls. But they rarely schedule their priorities. Imagine your calendar. A meeting at 10. A doctor appointment at 3. You would probably never forget those. Now add something different. Workout at 6 in the morning. Study at 7 at night. Read at 9:30. Suddenly those activities become real commitments. Instead of things you hope to do someday. Do not ask yourself when you should exercise. Make the decision once. Monday, Wednesday and Friday at 7. Your brain loves certainty. Every small decision takes energy. So stop making the same decision every day. Create the schedule. Then follow the schedule. And stop waiting for motivation. This is where most people get stuck. They wait until they feel ready. Ready to study. Ready to exercise. Ready to clean. Ready to start the business. Ready to change their life. But motivation usually comes after action. Not before it. Think about brushing your teeth. You do not wait until you feel motivated. You simply do it. Use the same principle with your goals. Do not feel like reading. Read 1 page. Do not feel like working out. Move for 5 minutes. Do not feel like starting. Start for 2 minutes. Momentum is powerful. Starting is usually the hardest part. Once you are moving, it becomes much easier to keep going. And start paying attention to the hidden moments in your day. You do not need 5 free hours to make progress. You need to stop wasting the small moments. 10 minutes before class. 15 minutes while waiting for someone. 20 minutes during your commute. 5 minutes while your food is cooking. These moments look insignificant. Until you stack them together. 10 minutes of reading every day can become more than 60 hours in a year. 5 minutes of stretching every morning can become more than 30 hours of movement. Small moments create big results. Never underestimate them. And learn to say no. Because every yes has a price. When you say yes to another episode, you might be saying no to sleep. When you say yes to another pointless meeting, you might be saying no to your own goals. When you say yes to another hour of scrolling, you might be saying no to learning something that could change your life. Time is not just something you manage. Time is something you protect. Successful people are not successful because they say yes to everything. They are successful because they know what deserves a no. Sometimes protecting your future means disappointing your present self. Make good habits ridiculously easy to start. Most people make their habits harder than they need to be. Want to read more? Put the book where you can see it. Want to work out? Put your shoes next to the bed. Want to study? Clear your desk before you need to study. Every small obstacle gives your brain another reason to quit. So remove the obstacles before they appear. Make the right action easier. The easier something is to start, the more likely you are to actually do it. And stop trying to create perfect balance every single day. Real balance does not happen every day. It happens over time. Some days work needs more attention. Some days your family needs you. Some days your body needs rest. That is normal. You do not need every day to look perfect. You need your life to move in the right direction. So stop asking, did I balance everything perfectly today? Ask something better. Am I giving enough attention to the things that truly matter over the long run? Think in weeks. Not just hours. That small change can completely change the way you live. And protect your energy. Not just your time. You can have 3 completely free hours. And still accomplish nothing. Because you are exhausted. Energy matters. Sleep matters. Food matters. Rest matters. You do not need to squeeze productivity out of every second. You need enough energy to make your time meaningful. Working longer does not always mean working smarter. Sometimes the most productive thing you can do is go to bed. And remember the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. Reply to the important message. Put the dishes away. Hang up your jacket. Fill your water bottle. These tiny tasks become surprisingly heavy when you keep avoiding them. Ignoring them creates mental clutter. Finishing them creates momentum. Small wins create productive days. And here is the truth most people never want to hear. You will never have enough time to do everything. Nobody does. Not the busiest CEO. Not the smartest student. Not the most organized person you know. Nobody gets unlimited hours. Life is a constant series of choices. Every single day. You decide what deserves your limited time. So the goal is not to fit everything into your schedule. The goal is to make sure the important things actually make it onto your schedule. Because years from now, you probably will not remember the extra hour you spent scrolling. But you will remember the book you finally finished. The skill you finally learned. The workout you almost skipped. The conversation you made time for. And the dream you slowly built. One ordinary day at a time. So stop waiting for more time. You already have enough. Stop giving it away without thinking. Start spending it on purpose. Because the life you want is not built someday. It is built today.